If you're frustrated with the iCloud backup failed, there was a problem enabling iCloud backup error on your iPhone. Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through simple and effective steps to fix this issue. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into the solutions. Solution 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. First, open any browser and head over to fast.com to test your internet speed. If your connection seems slow, turn on airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, then turn it off again. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that improves the connection. Another option is to move closer to your Wi-Fi router to get a stronger signal. Solution 2. Disable low data mode. Start by opening settings on your iPhone. Then go to Wi-Fi and tap the information icon next to the name of your connected network. Now toggle off low data mode and check if the backup issue is resolved. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, install it to ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Solution 4. Sign out and back into iCloud. First, open settings on your iPhone. Then tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select Sign Out. After waiting a moment, sign back in using your Apple ID credentials. Solution 5. Check Apple System Status. Open a browser and search for Apple System Status. Now visit Apple's official system status page to see if your iCloud services are currently experiencing issues. If they are, you'll need to wait until Apple resolves the problem. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Begin by opening Settings and navigating to General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then choose Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode when prompted and confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. After this, your network settings will reset and the issue should be resolved. And there you have it. Those are the steps to fix the iCloud backup failed error on your iPhone. If this solutions work for you, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Got questions or need further help? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks a ton for watching and I'll see you in the next one.